I'm going to show you how I cut a log today using the chainsaw mob. I'm just here at the jointer. I'm going to give this a flat edge so that I can cut it into slabs. It's small enough that the jointer will work just fine. Okay, so there's the flat edge. I'll run this through the mill and then let's see what we end up with. Let's have a quick look at what I got. Those two look pretty good. These ones are okay, maybe good for cutting boards. Something like that could be quite cool. Okay, well, I guess we're done. I just cut that up. It looks pretty cool. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I'll definitely make a cutting board. You're bound to see them in future videos. Till next time, see you in another one.